Digital intraoral scanning is a technology that our patients love. When you come in to get your records taken, instead of having the traditional goopy impressions that everyone hates, we'll use digital technology to capture everything that we need. We'll do a quick demo here. This is obviously a demo arch, but here's our intraoral scanner. As you can see, it has a small tip, and that's the only part that goes into the mouth to capture the data. We'll turn the scanner on, and it takes a series of continuous photos from different angles to capture the teeth in the jaw. So as you can see, relatively quickly, we're able to digitize, create a digital impression, or digital copy of the exact situation in the mouth. And then we can send that to our lab here in town that will take that digital file, and they'll use their CAD program to design new teeth, bridge, or the arch, whatever we need, precisely for your case. So the fit is much more exact, and the process is way easier for the patient than it used to be.